Medindyam te lutati dayata malatim lana pushpa Tishtan dware ramani viman kidyate padmanabha tam choni dhra shapayasi nisham rodyanti vayasya mane kaste nava madurima tam tu nalokayami. So this is these 3 degrees of man, or of course the softest one is gentle man, which is called dhira. Then there's some gentle, some harsh. It's called dhira, adhira. And then there's adhira, harsh. Adhira, or harsh man. So this is described. And the translation here is this. Mane chatyanta karkasha. In jealous anger, this lover of Krishna, the Pragolbha Nayaka, is extremely harsh and bitter. Atyanta karkasha. One Sakhi named Bakula Mala addresses Shamala, who is a friendly Sakhi of Radharani. Shamala has just spurned Krishna out of jealous anger. Spurned means rejected. She has just rejected Krishna out of her jealous anger, man, by saying, "Your garland of malati flowers has now wilted and fallen on the ground." She's speaking this. Bakula Mala is addressing Shamala, who just threw Krishna out. She says, "Listen, Sakhi, O Sakhi Shamala, your malati mala is all wilted and fallen on the ground. O Sundari Shamala, Krishna is standing at the door of your kunj. He's very unhappy and depressed. If you throw away this night just sleeping, you will make all your friends weep. Now you are showing a state of jealous anger. Mane atyanta karkasha. But what has happened to your ever fresh sweetness? I don't see your sweet behavior anymore." And so she's been extremely harsh. She's upset and angry with Krishna for a cause, hoituki man, or no cause, ahoituki. Man with a cause or man without a cause is not told. So this is an example of very harsh. Krishna hasn't gone away. Maybe he came late, and maybe he was with another gopi, and there's signs of him enjoying another gopi on his body, like some smudges of kajal and some lipstick or whatever, kumkum on his chest, or embracing another gopi. But still, he's standing at the door of the kunj of Shamala, and begging. And she said, "No, you stood me up, you went with another girl. Okay, that was then, now is now. That was then, now is now." They have a phrase, if you're not with the one you love the one you're with. That's the motto of the Playboy. If you know that, the gallant hero, the romantic man who has many lovers and many girlfriends. If you are not with the one you love the one you're with. So Krishna says, "Okay, that one's done. I'm at your door. I'm ready to serve you, ready to be with you." And she says, "No way." And then her Sakhis are saying, "Come on, you're so excited and all looking so sweet and attractive and appealing and so much eager to meet Krishna. And so he came a little late, but it's not that late. It's only 12:30 in the night, and the sun doesn't rise till 7:30 because it's the winter time. So what's your problem, Saki? Listen, you have 7 solid hours with Krishna alone in the Kunj, and we're all here to support you and encourage you. Why are you showing this? So that she's getting rebuked by her own Sakis. So, come on. So this is the extent of this harsh anger of the Pragava Nayaka. So that was the heavy one. Now this is the light one. When the heavy bold lover shows heavy man, she's really heavy. Now when the Pragava Nayaka shows 3 types of man. One is super heavy, one is little heavy, and one is not a little heavy and not super heavy. Because whatever she does, she's a Pragava Nayaka. It's going to be heavy. Because she's a heavy lover.